Well, alrighty. It looks like it is 7 o'clock, so let's get started with our 2021 Topps Chrome Black Baseball Random Player One Box Break number one. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times, and then we'll match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got the Guts King in the top spot and Royal Collectibles LLC in the bottom spot. So again, we will cut and paste that against our alphabetical player list. Now, I know there's some folks that are breaking with us for the first time this evening. So if you happen to be on the live stream with us and have any questions, please put those in the chat and I will answer them as soon as I can. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to cut and paste our list over to the right. I'm going to sort it by everyone's eBay IDs in alphabetical order. And then we will scroll through that list so everybody can see which players they have in the break before we tear into our box and see what we get. There we go. Alrighty. Now that we have been through our list, let's open up our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. We'll open our pack first. Get this box lid to cooperate. There we go. So here is our 3-card pack. And our first card is Zach Gallen. And our next card is Luis Castillo. And then our refractor is, whoa, how about that? A little Mike Trout teal, I believe that is the teal atomic refractor. Very nice. Great card for the Trout spot. And that is serial numbered 53 of 99. How about that? How about that? Awesome. And last but certainly not least, our autograph card is Chien-Ming Wang. Chien-Ming Wang. How about that? Nice autograph. Alrighty, so now that we have opened our box and went through all of our cards, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. You pull the list up here on the screen. There we go. So we'll go through our base cards first, and our first one is Luis Castillo, and that goes to Royal Collectibles, LLC. Congrats on that. And then our second base card is Zach Gallen, and that goes to Farm League Sports Cards. Congratulations on that. And then next is our Mike Trout Teal Atomic Refractor, and that goes to Royal Collectibles, LLC. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then finally, our Chien-Ming Wang autograph card goes to MAJ9419. Congratulations on that. Very nice. All righty. Well, that concludes our 21 Topps Chrome Black Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 8 minutes with our 2021 Upper Deck Allure Hockey Random Player One Box Break number 2. Thanks again, everybody. Michael, there's not a Chrome Black basketball break. Are you talking about the Panini Black basketball break number 2? If you will put your eBay ID in the chat, I'll go back and check the list to see which break you were in. But our Black basketball break, that will be next weekend.